So I don't want you to make these mistakes in 2022 for the start of your fitness journey. Hey there guys, Jason DePaula here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and I wish to welcome you here to one of my videos. Now if you heard the intro, it is now the beginning of 2022. I'm going to hopefully get this video out before the end of January, but I don't want you to make these mistakes when you think about starting your fitness journey. If you're thinking about joining a gym or getting a PT or doing any fitness regime. Now there's loads of different things to do. I will only go through a few because there's lots of things I don't wish you to do, but one of them is, I see it quite a lot and I have talked about it quite a bit, and it does frustrate me and annoy me, people using scammy online training that promises so much, which I think is just a scam. There is, at this time of year, I go through it on my accounts now because the algorithms keep pushing it up. Lots of people pushing their 12-week challenges, the 6-week challenges, get lean in 28 days or lose fat in 28 days. Yeah, you might find it works to a point. It's not going to be the best workouts in my opinion. Anything that you get online from a trainer that you really have got no idea where they've got their training from, not unless you personally know them, you don't know their experience, how many years they've been training people, really where they got their qualifications, if they've got the qualification. There's lots of qualifications. You can do a 2-day qualification nowadays, but there's a lot of these scammy emails and scammy online fitness people around, and I wish you just do not go for one of those. They may look snazzy, 12-week challenges. I can get you a nutrition plan, meal plan. You do your weekly check-ins. You can do everything from, I saw one that you can actually get someone to do a photo shoot of your before and afterwards. There's lots of them around. I tend not to get my clients or anyone to ask me questions on those. I want to train them one-to-one. So if you can, stay away from those. Most people when they go to the gym as well, this is the second point, most people when they go to the gym, if they don't know what they're doing, they go straight onto the treadmill or elliptical trainer or the rower, and they just do cardio, and sometimes people feel scared about going on to the weight area where the dumbbells are and the big bars are, because mainly if there's people there, there's people that know what they're doing. Obviously there is people that don't know what they're doing, they're chucking weights around. I've had clients before when I'm training them and they feel really scared when there's someone behind them chucking weights down and it's bouncing around and it makes a noise. That is what I don't like when people do that. It's not real proper training and it's really not good for the gym. But I want you to avoid just going to the cardio. You must think about, even though there might be lots of people, get into the weights, start doing weight training. You must start doing weight training. Another thing I hear and see quite a lot, people changing the workout, changing the routine every week. They might not like get a workout from the internet, and they do it for 1 week and then they may not like, and they get another one and do another one, and they start chopping and changing the workouts. You must keep to one workout to a minimum of 4 weeks. But you've got to do something for like 6 to 8 weeks to actually find out if it's actually working for you. Don't keep chopping and changing workouts from week to week. Another thing people will tend to do when they go to the gym is cut out fats and carbs. I tell people you don't need to cut out fats and carbs. You need to be in a calorie deficit, yes, but you don't need any fad diets. You definitely don't need to cut out carbs and fats. In any way, good fats are good for you and carbs are good for you anyway, because it gives you energy. So don't cut those out, okay? And another one is, because it's January, most people might have got these waist trainers, that have electric shock treatment to get their waist trim. They don't really work. It's no point, because you've got to get the layer of fat away before you can see your abs, and then that is about calorie deficit, getting into the gym, weight training, doing consistency for 6 to 12 months, and that's how you're going to do it. And lastly is supplements. Now again, there's lots of people pushing supplements. I tend not to push supplements. The only supplements I do is good quality vitamins, minerals, creatine if you wish, because that's a good supplement to if you want to get the physique and get stronger, because it's naturally, our bodies naturally make creatine into a small amount, but you can get creatine as well. And a good protein powder, a good whey protein powder is another one. So none of this with properties blends and lots of stuff that you can take a pre-workout. I mean, I can't say it now, a pre-workout, and definitely do not do what these people on Instagram, on social media do, dry scooping, where you've got the tub and you've got this little tub and you just take the powder straight into the mouth and water. That is, it's just a stupid thing to do, and it's unfortunately got popular at the moment. So don't do that dry scooping. Yeah, if you're going to do supplements, like I say, vitamins, minerals, creatine if you need it, and a good whey supplement, protein supplement. Don't do anything else. It's just a waste of money, in my opinion. So there you go. So there is something. I actually put this up on my Instagram a few weeks ago. I got some good questions and good people from that asking questions about this. So I thought I'll make a video of it. So there is another piece of this on Instagram. So I'm saying about Instagram, I'll put my Instagram feed up here, my link here. If you can get on it, if you get me on Instagram, please like and share this video on that. Please get me on Instagram, follow me now. I put a lot more information on Instagram that I don't put anywhere else, and it'd be most useful for you. And if you do like the way I train and the way I coach people, do not hesitate to give me a call, give me a message, and I'll be most definitely get back to you. So there we go. So if you like this video, please like and share, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon.